Alright, hey guys, this should hopefully be a quick video. This is a Xbox One controller that I have from a friend because it has analog drift. I can show you on this website I found up here. What you do with this website, that you plug the controller into your computer. There's probably a wireless way to do it, but I'm just using a cable. And controller's gonna turn on here, and when it connects, may take a little bit. I'm gonna, oh, being a pain. Oh, let me pause real quick. Here we go. Oh, it's actually got drift on both. I didn't realize that. Turns out, but you can see the serious amount of drift on that one. I'm not holding it here, and it's almost all the way. You can see it there. So we're gonna try to clean this up and fix it. Now the guide I found is where you use a little bit of IPA, and you just rub it around the thumbsticks like that for a little bit. I don't know if this is gonna work or not. We're gonna try it. If this doesn't work, then the controller is coming apart. You I believe it says you want to let it uh allow about a minute. Now I have pretty low hopes for this actually working. Uh, you'll just go there. So it's on, and yeah, it's still there. I had a feeling. That would have done nothing. So apart this thing comes. So to remove these plastic pieces, they're just snapped on, and it reveals those are hex. Interesting, or Torx, I should say. Reveals the four Torx screws here, and you want to unscrew those, and it, fingers crossed, should give me access. I guess it feels like there's one under this label. And I've never taken apart an Xbox controller, so this is the first time for both of us. So once you get the 5 screws out, which unfortunately there was one under this label, needless to say, the warranty on this is probably void now. It's open, and that was actually fairly easy to get open, I gotta say. Good job, Microsoft, for designing a pretty serviceable product. And I can see why the idea of putting alcohol on this nubby thing, analog stick, the proper term, it wouldn't have worked. Because it wouldn't have actually gotten to the actual thing. The analogs control. So let me see if I can clean that, and we'll be back. I'm not too positive on that working, but I'll hook the controller back up. I'm not going to put it back together yet. And we'll pull the dirt out of it and try it again. Really, it's still got drift? And here, look. All the other buttons work fine. This analog stick has nothing wrong with it. And it disconnected. Alright, so I did a little bit more cleaning. I know this video is so exciting. Oh. After I drop my cable. Let me try putting it. For some reason, it only works when I put the cable in a certain way. Did we do it? Well, it was connected. As you can see, oh, stay connected. As you can see, the cleaning did help. Here, let me scroll down with my phone. Thanks, guys. Yeah, it's definitely a lot better, but you can see it's still not perfect. But it's way better than it was before, so I'm going to keep at this and see if I can get it almost perfect. So, I did a bit more cleaning, see if we got it better. Sorry this isn't a great video, but, and it disconnected. Yeah, there's still a little bit there. And it just got better. I'm just working it back and forth, up and down, because this is a problem part. And look, there's a little problem with the this one now. It could just be my cable. It's not making the greatest connection. Looks like it's pretty good, so yeah, I guess we could put this one back together and call it a day. Here, it's starting to look more like an Xbox controller again. Just gotta get these last two screws in and these plastic pieces here. Alright, after injuring yourself, don't actually do that, I don't recommend. We're back together, and it's a working controller now. I'm going to plug it in here, do one final test. I know, great camera work in this video, huh? And focus. You can... Really? We're back to the way we started? That's aggravating. This is why I don't like working on this kind of crap. It's all good taken apart, and then in the moment you put it all back together, it doesn't work. And now that I just cleaned that one too. I'll just whatever. You can tell I'm a little aggravated. Not the fix didn't work. Put all that time into it, and I hurt myself. Well, we'll see what happens. Anyway, I want to thanks for watching, especially for those who do watch this channel. I really appreciate it. You can subscribe if you want. Doesn't really matter. It does help the channel though. And I'll see you next time.